Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about 12th Commerce, chapter number 17, Consumer Protection. So we all discussed about consumerism. Consumerism means once a consumer want to buy anything, he must know about, must aware about the product and services, product and goods. Okay, so that is called as consumer. So consumer protection means protect the consumer. Consumer must know about the quality, must know about the price, must know about the warranty and guarantee. Okay, so this is very important thing in the consumer protection. Okay, so the rights of consumer. So rights of consumer means the modern marketing concept recognize the that fact that the consumer that is the only pivotal point. Consumer is a boss. Okay, consumer is the boss, is king. Okay, the king. And also we discuss in the chapter number 16, habit emptor. Emptor means that is a buyer beware. Let the buyer be. Buyer only aware about the product. And also habit venditor. Venditor means vendor. Vendor means seller. Okay, so the seller buy the seller beware. Let the seller beware. Okay, seller only aware of the some of the consumer cheated. Okay, some the consumer and the sellers are cheated by consumers. Okay, so that is a seller beware. Okay, so consumers having lot of rights. Okay, so the John F. Kennedy having some rights. There is some rights. That is a right of protection of health and services. Health already we discussed in last video. Right of protection of health and rights of safety. Okay, so these are few some of the consumer having lot of the even the consumer utilized any kinds of goods. Okay, so he only knows the what is the defect of goods, what is the defect quality, what is the defect quantity. Okay, and what is the life of the quantity. Okay, so he only know about the and also any defect. He only when the consumers find any defect of goods. Okay, he approach to the court. Okay, so this is the first thing. Next one, right to be informed. Right to be informed. Okay, so right to be informed means the consumer should be given all the relevant fact about the product. Okay, so in the so that they can take intelligent decisions. Okay, so when the some of the advertising, some of the labeling, some of the package is not good, not provide any proper objectives or proper intention, proper information to the buyer. So this implies the manufacturer and the buyers, some of the misunderstanding management by the buyers. Okay, so some of the consumer accepted or some of the consumers satisfied or not satisfied with the product. Okay, so there is a right to inform. Right to inform to the court. Okay, expiry date, for example, expiry date, not packaging, warning, any kinds of some of the goods they mention any warning. Okay, warning causes and also causes any warning on a batch number. Okay, so they didn't mention in the product. He only informed, sir, you not informed to the product. Okay, so you have to notice. Okay, you have to identify that problem. Okay, so this is not right to be informed. Date expiry date is not proper mentioned and batch is proper mentioned. Okay, you have to inform to the manufacturer. That is called right to be. Next one. Okay. Next one, right to choose. Next one, right to choose. Okay, right to choose means right to choose. Right to the consumer satisfaction is the ultimate aim. Customer satisfaction is the ultimate aim. Okay, of modern marketing. Customer satisfaction is the ultimate aim. Okay, ultimate aim. Consumer satisfaction is the ultimate aim. Okay, so it's a modern marketing. Okay, so and is one of philosophy of every manufacturer, every concept, marketing concept. Okay, so consumer is a boss, consumer satisfaction mainly aim, consumer needs and wants are the important. The company also offering some of the price reduction and also free offers. Okay, the product free offers. Okay, so that is the important right to choose the particular product, right to choose the affordable product, right to choose the correct quality, right to choose the correct quantity. That is the rights of consumers. Okay, next one, right to seek redressal. What do you mean redressal? Okay, what do you mean redressal? Right to seek redressal. What do you mean redressal? Okay, so the complaints protest against product. It was against product. Okay, so you have to complain. Okay, you have to complain to the court. Okay, any conflict between the manufacturer and producers, manufacturer and consumers, you have to complain to that is suit to case to the court. Okay, there should be fair and consumer every manufacturer are followed unfair trade practices. There should be fair and settlement. Okay, fair and settlement. Okay, so just settlement of deserving the claims, claim definite time frame. Okay, so this is the important thing in the right to seek redressal. Okay, so your this step is very important in the rights of consumer and prompt settlement of consumer. In case any product is not affected to the health, so company only will take actions. Okay, that is all important thing in the right to redressal. Okay, so next one, right to consumer protection, right to consumer education. Right, next one, right to consumer education. Right to consumer education. The right to consumer education means the consumer has a right to acquire some knowledge about the product. Okay, knowledge about the product, knowledge about the goods. Okay, and also they having some important ingredients, what are important added to the product. So the customer must know about must educate about the product. Okay, so must know about the product, must get some knowledge about the product. Okay, that is called as right to called right to consumer education. Okay, and and also right to quality of life. And say next thing, right to quality of life. What is quality of life? Right to quality of life. Okay, so quality of life, it means quality of life, it refers to the date of product, and that is related to well-being of the people and group of individuals, customers relations. Okay, so it improve the quality of life. It will the product also improve quality of life. That is a right to improve quality of life. ஓகே, இந்த பொருள் யூஸ் பண்ணுறேன், என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கை தரம் முன்னேறிச்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இஸ் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங் இன் த right to be improved. Okay, avoid air pollutions, water pollutions, okay, and food pollutions. Okay, it will lead to avoid air pollution, water pollution, food pollutions. Okay, நான் இதை யூஸ் பண்ண நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. Okay, I consume this kinds of goods. Okay, this product is very good. Okay, it's also avoid social benefits. It also lead social cost. Okay, improve the standard of living, improve the prestige of life. Okay, and consumer gain knowledge from the product. Okay, so that is avoid damage. Okay, that is important thing in the right to quality of life. Okay, so next one, right to consumer protection. Right to consumer protection. Right to consumer protection. Right to consumer protection means protect the consumers. Protect the consumer means that is very important thing in the very important thing means that is a right to aware about the product, right to aware of his rights and duties. Okay, right to right to aware of the product, right to aware the quality, right to aware the price, right to aware the warranty and guarantee of the product. That is very important thing, the right to consumer protection. Okay, right to consumer protection. Okay, so and that is government also avoid customer grievances. Company also get customer grievances reduce, then clear the customer grievances. Okay, that is important thing in this lesson. Which are manufactured, where the companies are manufactured with standard components, that is good. Non-standard component that is affected health means you have to approach to the court. Companies also give some proper compensation. Okay, so that is the important thing in the right to consumer protection. Next one, right to specific needs. Right to specific or basic needs. Right to basic needs. Right to basic needs. The basic need means already Maslow need hierarchy. So in hierarchy theory, the right to choose, right to communication, right to protection, right to safety, right to health and safety, right to safety. Okay, the basic need means that is a safety level, safety, healthy, price, protection. Okay, right to protection, quality, okay, quality. These are the things in right to basic needs. Okay, right to health, the right safety, right to healthy, right to price, protection, health, quality. Okay, so every consumer has right to get basic needs from the product. Okay, like food and clothing and other powders and other water. Okay, so some of the customers use like private the water bags, water cans. Okay, so they consume water cans. Okay, and also they purchase some that is a fast food from the hotels and other restaurants. Okay, so in case these kinds of goods affected the health mean that is you have to approach to the court. Okay, right to basic needs. Sir, sarilla நீங்க செய்யற சரியில்லை, எனக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லாம. So this is called right to get the right to basic needs. Okay, this will enhance the quality of common life. This will enhance the quality of common life. Okay, this will enhance the quality of common life. Very important in the lessons. Okay, next one, what are the duties of consumer? What are these are what are rights of consumer? Right means that is a right to be improved, informed, right to choose, that is ultimate aim, the customer's ultimate human needs. Okay, satisfy the customer ultimate aim, right to seek redressal, right to consumer education, right to quality of life, right to consumer protection. Okay, right to basic needs. Okay, these are the important thing in the lesson. Please, I am doing this. I want to do something. Okay, so it is apart from rights, they have certain responsibilities, certain duties. Okay, so these he should make that purchases. He should make some purchases and should not misuse the rights, and also misuse his rights. Okay, so some of the consumers misuse his rights in some of the product. Okay, so government court also give some punishment. Okay, so first one, rights, first duties, buying quality product at reasonable price. Buying quality product means every customer purchase the quality product from the manufacturers, and also sell, they purchase at lower prices, that is the affordable prices. That is important thing in the duties. First one, buying the quality goods. Buying the quality goods, and also quality goods at reasonable price. Reasonable price. Okay, reasonable price. It is a responsibility of a consumer. It is a responsibility of a consumer to purchase any kinds of goods. You consume any kinds of goods, and also gaining some good quality, and also they purchase at low prices. They purchase at low prices. Okay, so affordable price, reasonable price, that is important. That is one of the important duties of consumer. Okay, and ensure the weight of the product, measurement before making purchase. Okay, ensure the weight and measurement. Ensure the weight weights and measurement. Ensure the weight and measurement. Okay, ensure the weight and measurement before making purchase. Before making purchase. Okay, before making purchase. Okay, so when you go for any purchase any product, you have to instruct to the wholesaler or retailer. Okay, sir, that is not a correct weight. Okay, you have to informed. Okay, sir, this is not a correct weight, this is not a correct measurement. Sir, some of the quantity are reduced. Okay, some of the you are not correct. You are not correct. You are correct measurement. Okay, so measure the product. That is called as ensure the weight and measurement of the before making purchase. Okay, before making purchase. That is a very important thing in the duties of consumer. Okay, so reading the label carefully. Reading the label. Label carefully. So some of the product they mention on they stick one label. Okay, so this label contains data package, date of expiry date, then who is the, what is the price, who is the retail price, MRP price, okay. So you must and what are the batch number and what are the incurrence order, so warning date, okay. So you have to mention, you have to identify all the details in the label, okay. That is called as reading the label carefully, okay. So some of the points we discuss in next video. These are the duties of consumers, okay. So I hope you are very well understanding about this chapter number 17, duties of consumers, okay. So thanks for listening my video. Thank you so much.